Hey guys, Brendan from Tat here. Just wanted to do a quick follow-up from last week. Anyone that saw our Mondeo video with the blow-by past the injectors, got them out. As you can see, this is the one that was worst affected. Used mainly the Worth Injector X, works quite well. Broke it down over a couple of nights, and when I went to take them out, used a heat gun, a hairdryer type heat gun, which actually softened some of the carbon. We were able to get them. But something interesting, I'm doing one at the moment as a preventative one. So these are out of a Mercedes Sprinter that we've got. This is a good injector, so it had no blow-by, but you can see just how much the washer erodes away. So we're not getting too far away from it eroding and turning into this situation. So preemptively we're doing this one, getting some new washers on there before it happens. So I got them out. The injectors are still quite clean, got all the caps and everything on it. This is just some ceramic grease for when we put it back in, so it's going to stop it corroding in there. If we maintain this, we won't have to ever face the Black Death on the Sprinter, hopefully.